Hello, welcome back to our trigonometry series. In triangle ABC, if 4 cos A times cos B plus sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C equals 4, then what kind of triangle is triangle ABC? We start with an important result that sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C that we discussed in our previous video. Therefore, our given equation becomes 4 cos A times cos B plus 4 sin A sin B sin C equals 4. Dividing throughout by 4 and isolating sin C, we get sin C equals 1 minus cos A times cos B over sin A times sin B. And as we know that sin takes the maximum value 1, therefore this relation should be less than equal to 1. Simplifying further, we get cos A minus B is greater than equal to 1, but we know that cos can take a maximum value of 1. Therefore, cos A minus B is equal to 1. That implies that A minus B is equal to 0, leading us to A equals B. Using A equals B, sin C becomes 1 minus cos square A over sin square A, which leads us to 1. That means C should be equal to pi over 2. Hence, the correct answer is option 3. The triangle ABC is right angled and isosceles. If you enjoyed this challenge and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy learning!